I'm thinking of going car camping this afternoon, first time. And the car started set up, but I tell you what, you know the bit I'm finding hard? It's the essentials, the stuff they take with you. Like this wee box I put under the seat. I give it a wash out, just a wee bit damp like. But you don't believe you need so much stuff like. I've got a kitchen roll, I won't need much kitchen roll because I'm not doing no washing. Weetabix for my breakfast. Then you need sugar. Everything is sugar, so I'll have to change out the Frosties. I've no spare Frosties. So I'll get a box of Frosties and then that cuts down on one item. Toilet roll. I've got a toilet roll. I need toilet roll. So I brought a pile of biscuits here. So there's always something there. I want this wee box I'll carry every week. But I'll tell you the difficult part. Cereal bowl. See, look, I even forgot about a spoon. You know, if you go with a cereal bowl and no spoon, what do you do like? Luna has a problem. I've weighed her food out and the 65 grams she gets the dry stuff and then a ton. But I want to have the wee box, so the idea was this is supposed to be an essential. Supposed to be right how food should be. Now take that food out. This is supposed to be essentials, like tissues. You never think of tissues, do you? Like all this stuff lies in my caravan all the time. But if you're away for 2 or 3 days and you need a tissue and you haven't got one, and then you forgot your toilet roll, at least you got a backup. That's handout stuff there. If you don't get water and you need wash, you can use that cream there. But I don't know. I need a box for things that just needs to be always be there. Radio. And then I was thinking, well, what if the batteries go down? I have piles of rechargeable batteries in my caravan, but I don't have no batteries in the car. If that goes down, I'm stuck with no radio. You can't run a car radio for a weekend with the car parked up. I'll tell you, it's complicated. So I'm going to get a wee list now, 4 AA batteries. But another thing too, the rain was pushing down there. Being away in a car and pushing rain, not ideal. You come in with your coat dripping, where you put the stuff? I threw it in the boot, but we do even know it's going to be in the boot. And the next thing is then, it's getting the stuff from the car, from the house into the car while it's pushing the rain. If keeping it dry, that's going to be a problem. Nobody ever shows car camping getting accessories in. They never show that. Probably just go to takeaways like, but I'm not going to get a takeaway. I'm self-sufficient. I always carry this wee bag here in the house. This is a nice one. And I think I need for the weekend, so I need 2 bags of crust today, 2 days. So I'll put in 6 bags. I'll throw in the biscuits in the containers, fill them up, bananas and stuff like that. So I'm used to doing that. So unless I put Luna's food in there. But I'm going to need a bowl for Luna. I've already put Luna's other food in there. So I'll put her dry food in there. So that's what I normally do. I would normally put this food stuff, that's how I load the caravan. So I'll keep it the same, throwing in there. But the difference is when I take out the caravan, I would come back in and I'd refill that bag with other stuff. You know, pants and socks and all that there, things I need. Well, this time now, it's going to have to stay in there. I don't know, it's going to take I'm going to need a few more bags of it. Make it, so, I don't know how long it's going to take to get this organised. The more organised, the more problems I'm coming up with. I suddenly realised I need a bowl to feed with Luna. And I'm going to have my breakfast bowl. And I'm going to have a spoon. I need a fork to get the food out of Luna's tin. I'm going to have to really wash it. So I'll come up with this idea here. This is going to be my sink. I'll fill it up with hot water. I'll do my bowl. Look, that's my cereal bowl. And then I can wash my cups. My cup will fit in there too. So I can throw my cups in there. I'll put enough of water. Oh, do you now need fairy liquid? See, you now need a bottle of fairy liquid. Oh, God, you wouldn't believe there's so many things. And then I can clean the fork. I can't have a now meaty fork and stuff. And now the Weetabix will stick to that like concrete if I don't wash it off. So I'm going to have to sort of half fill that up. Half fill it up. And I've enough room there to get my hand up. And then I'll just toss it over a hedge. So that's going to be my portable sink for my while camping. Nobody on YouTube ever shows you this, do you? Hey, they never show you that. That container's lying there, you give it a wee wash out. But when this is washed out, no, I can put my things in there that I need. I'll put them in there beforehand. I'll put all the stuff in there. And you like a wee kit for him. Where's my spoon? We'll get a spoon in there. So whenever I leave, I'll make sure that everything's in there that needs washed. And you get a shorter spoon. Put the lid on. And then when I get the wee sponge, I'll put the wee sponge on too. So everything be all nice and dry and all. Put that in. That can go I could just go in my wee bag of food stuff. So whenever I get everything washed then, I'll keep it in there. I now need a drying cloth. Kitchen roll. You had to. But I need to get a wee bit of fairy liquid. I need to put fairy liquid in a wee bottle. And I'll put the fairy liquid bottle in there along with the essentials. Got the vinegar. Put the vinegar into an old lemonade bottle. And I put the wee squirty top on as well. I want wee squirty tops on it. And there's extra magnets from my blackouts and all. Keep them in there. So I want that there so that can go from, if I'm going in the caravan, I'll just shove it under the caravan, under the seat. And if I'm going in the car, I'll shove it in the car. So that's what I want this wee box for. So I'm going to start keeping my Bluetooth stuff in here. The power packs. Instead of out in the caravan, I'll keep them in here so I can move them back and forward. So it has to be so the lid closes and all like. And I'll just put a few extras, like a few treats and all for Luna. You can't run out of treats like. Them's emergency ones there like. So we'll have to get on to some of them. Although by right, should be in there. Food should be in there. Gotta be organised. Now, another old lemonade bottle. That's fairy liquid. It's not fairy liquid, it's shop own brand. But the wee tap fits. As long as they don't get mixed up with my vinegar, that'd be a disaster.